about to buy this powder. I'm about to buy this shit. Sure is. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm getting ready to use this new palette that I got, and this palette is from Level Up Cosmetics. If you're not familiar with Level Up Cosmetics, the company was started by a YouTuber by the name of Shira71. Check her out. She promotes femininity, and leveled up practices, how to become your best self as a woman, what you should expect from men, how to date up, all those types of things. So if you're not familiar with her channel, check her out. I think that she, if nothing else, you can get from her, you can gain some insight on how to be more feminine and how to walk in your femininity and your true form as a woman, and how to not be so aggressive and full. My bad, y'all, the camera shut off because I obviously need a new memory card. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys an eye look or whatever. I'm just going to play with this palette basically because it's new and I wanted to support a black owned business. So I thought, I've bought makeup from this brand before, why not support it again? So she came out with this Cherries Cream and Cake palette, and this is the packaging. Actually, it comes in a sleeve like this, okay, and you do get a mirror and you get all these beautiful colors, so check that out. And this one actually is some type of concealer, or it's wet, so it's got to be some type of concealer or maybe like a eyelid primer. And she sends you a thank you card. Thank you for supporting my business. So cute. And you do get her lovely autograph, so that's cool. Alright, so let me just jump into my look. I kind of want to try this little whatever color this is down here, just, you know, I just want to see what's going on with it. Oh girl, that's dark. Yeah, this has got to be some kind of eyeshadow primer. It's really creamy, like super soft. Can y'all even see? Let's see. I'm gonna go in this color. It looks like a peach little something. I'm gonna go in that color right there. Okay, so I'm gonna try okay. So the color that I just used is right here. And I don't know if y'all can actually see really well what it looks like, but I hope that you can. I really do. I was supposed to be doing a very simple eye today, but I forgot I was using this palette. So now I'm kind of going off the cuff of an eye look. So these eyeshadows are very soft, and I would say they're pretty blendable. Very, very soft. And I just have to go in another palette because I really wanted a like a deep orange to kind of throw in there a little bit. I'm just going to go in the Jackie Aina palette real quick and just put edges on This is this burnt orange color. Edges and ginger. I'm gonna work in some of these shimmers. I'm gonna work in the rose gold shimmer because it's just like telling me, girl, please come get me. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, girl, the top layer scared me. So sorry, these are not shimmers. These are actually pressed glitters, you guys, okay? So I found it easier to just use my finger to just press it in. You're gonna have to really dig in it and press it in on your eye. Okay, yeah, I thought this was a shimmer, so I really wasn't prepared to work with glitter. So it's been a while since I worked with pressed glitter, you guys. That's why I'm kind of going back so much, but it's all good. It came out beautiful. Just keep in mind that this is not going to be like that jelly kind of glitter. This is actual glitter. I don't know what I want to do from here, so I'm going to do the other eye and then see if I want to darken this up at all. It's kind of soft and pretty, so we'll see when I get back. What's popping? So I'm back and I did all my like face and stuff, so I'm about to use this Beauty Bakery powder. I showed it to y'all in a video previously as a haul, and I'm going to use it. It's going to be my first time using it. It seems pretty soft. It is a little bit mixed in with my Pat McGrath powder just because that's the lid I'm using, but overall I just want to see like the consistency, the texture, the flashback. That's what I'm interested in because they sent me like this transparent color, so so far so good. I like it. I like how it spreads. It's thick. Oh my gosh. It's like thin milled, but we'll see. We'll see when I wipe it away what it look like. And it came in this little tiny thing, just like that. And this is Oat Mini. Okay. And then, you know, it came in a little bakery bag. It's cute. I don't think I'm going to leave it on here too long just because it's pretty light. And I don't want it to show up stark and then I have to spray my face basically 50 million times to get it back normal. I don't want to do that. I need like a hand washer spray up here. Oh, whew. I have a specific brush that I use to do this and I almost couldn't find it and I almost had a mini anxiety attack, girl. Just that fast. Girl, I might have to go buy this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm about to buy this powder. Oh, we've been sleeping on it, girls. I'm about to buy this powder. Sure am. And I think she has different colors. I'm highlighted. I'm about to buy this shit. Show Liz. I'm about to buy this powder. girls are pleased.